Well, I hope they get a very human picture of someone that is otherwise a very fascinating, mysterious character that could be judged as a sociopath or a psychopath or even a serial killer in many ways, or a gangster. But I hope they see a very human version of that, and that's not to say that it's in any way a glorification of a criminal.
From what I saw, Johnny is an incredibly gifted, he's an infinitely gifted actor, and in this role he became another person. He really channeled Jimmy Bolger.